Alright, y'all, we're taking a better look at the thing I made last week, which is soft pretzels made magic. There's a bit more I wanted to talk about with this, so find it free on my blog or join my Patreon, where for $5 a month you can get print and e-version recipe cards for your collections. Now, the main thing I wanted to talk about, as you see there's not a lot here, is the baking soda. Definitely check out my blog where I break down exactly how I'm getting magic out of baking soda. But, to make it real short and simple, Saturn, Earth, all about grounding, stability, and fortitude. That's baking soda, baby. And beyond just using yeast or the flour itself, we have now in fact progressed to looking at the molecules for magic. Sodium bicarbonate, if you know what it looks like, yeah, you can get a lot out of that in terms of magic. Also, you can get a lot out of these dough whisks too, because look how quickly all of these ingredients come together into this dough. When my friend showed me how to make pretzels, a day before this whole friggin' clock app debacle, I was astounded at just how easy this is. Also, if your dough looks like this, there's not enough flour, go put more flour in it. But start to finish, I made 12 pretzels in like an hour, hour and a half. This may be good, this may be dangerous information, who really knows? All I know is that once you get that dough together, let it rest a bit and cut it up into your pieces, get ready to bust out your Play-Doh kindergarten skills of rolling these things out into those little tiny like snake ropes and then making them into your pretzels. Try to make them around the same size as well. You don't want to have like one tiny pretzel and then one gigantic pretzel. But if you liked playing with Play-Doh with this kid, you're going to like making this recipe. Now, how to make the shape is that you want to connect the top pieces and then kind of fold them over and then twist them. So you kind of cross them into an X and then twist, and then there you go. You got your classic little pretzel shape. And what gives pretzels their iconic flavor is actually boiling it in that baking soda bath. You're not putting the baking soda in the dough. No. That's what we have the yeast for. The yeast makes these rise really quickly, makes them really soft and fluffy. The baking soda is going into a baking soda bath. Just, I would say 20 to max 40 seconds. This gives them that kind of strange flavor that specifically pretzels have. Otherwise, if you don't do this, it's just going to taste like bread. Afterwards, though, you want to definitely throw some coarse salt on there that your Holy Spirit bird has blessed with all his cute little hoobie-doobie dances. And then you just want to, again, very generously, for these is for like, your good savory pretzels, pop them in for about 15 minutes. I would say 17 because these are thickers. But this is your most basic pretzel flavor. Just pretzel, a little bit of salt on top. And I tell you, that salt goes a long way in improving that flavor. Soft, fluffy, delicious. And since these ones ended up so thick, they actually were really good to like slice across as well. So if you slice them in half, they make really, really good sandwich buns. For sweet ones though, get some sugar and cinnamon together and skip the salt. Instead, just brush these with butter once they're done baking and then smash them into that nice sugar mix, and there you go. But as I was saying, you cut these in half, damn, you got a beautiful pretzel bun. In crazy trying times like these, the magic in this meal is absolutely one of abundance, stability, health, wealth, luck, and plenty of love, especially if you do that cinnamon sugar one. So comfort yourself with a warm hot pretzel this fine Sunday. And thanks to my friend who showed me how to make them.